O game, anime awards na. Let's see. Tingnan natin sino ang papotohin ko. Okay. So, solo leveling na naman to eh. Vote! Let's vote! Anime awards! It's time to pick your winners. Let's go, boys. Vote now. Anime of the year. Walang solo leveling. I guess it's all in, boys! I guess it's time! Okay. Anong pwedeng ano? Napanood ko lang dito Dandadan. Sure, I'll vote for Dandadan. Baka, baka Boku no Hero Academia manalo eh. Yeah. Sure, I'll vote Dandadan here. Whoops. Teka lang. Okay, I finally voted. Film of the year. 100 meters. Chainsaw Man, the movie Arc. Demon Slayer, Infinity Castle. Yeah. 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 Guys, if hindi makuha ng nakaharang ata si Apple D. Teka. Okay, dito ka. Yan. Para kita yung nominee. Okay, guys, if Demon Slayer doesn't win, nobody wins. Okay, next. Best continuing series. Dandadan, Kaiju 8, My Hero Academia, One Piece, Solo Leveling, Rise from the Shadows, Spy Family 3. Let's play it safe here and vote for Solo Leveling. Oo, kasi considering na maraming bumuboto sa kanya. Okay, best new series, Clevates, Gacha, Sakamoto Days, Takopi's Original Sin, The Fragrant Flower Blooms with Dignity, The Summer Hikaru died. As much as I want to go Sakamoto, I think The Fragrant Flower Blooms with Dignity. I think I'll vote this one. Best Romance too. Baka ito yung ating botohin. Best Original Anime. G-Quax isn't original. It's just an alternate UC slop. Digimon isn't original. Apocalypse Hotel. So I'll just give it to one of these four. Di ko napanood tong apat na to. I'll go for sure, why not? Apoc Hotel. Best Animation. Dandadan, Gacha, Boku no Hero Academia, Takopi, Solo Leveling, and One Piece. I'll just want to play it safe, Dandadan. I know playing safe would mean pipiliin ko ang solo leveling pero sige, Dandadan tayo. Yan. Character design. Dandadan, Gacha, My Dress Up Darling Season 2, The Apothecary Diaries, One Piece, and Takopi. So, well, let's zoom para makita natin na mas malinaw. No, zoom natin. Si character si Apple paliitin natin lalo. Apple. Okay. Yan, okay. Best character design, go for Dandadan for Takemura. Yung basta yung mataba. May Gundam eh. Best director. I don't know the director for each one of these. I'll just go for Dandadan. Dude, the Dandadan glaze na ginagawa ko ngayon is, is gonna be crazy. Best background art. CTD animation, Dandadan, Gacha, Kowloon Generic Romance, The Apothecary Diaries. I'll just bigay natin dito. Yeah, I'm a tourist. I'm the otaku tourist. Best romance. I've said it. Fragrant Flower Blooms with Dignity. Best comedy. It's gonna be Spy Family yung mananalo. Laging ito yung nananalo pag comedy. However, Ranma, none of them are strong second. Ranma. Best action. Where's Ninja Kamui? Uh, come on. Let's get lessons learned. If gusto mo manalo, piliin mo solo leveling. Best isekai. I think dito ako. Yeah. It's always ReZero, right? Walang free rin. Walang free rin. Orb on the movements of the earth, a copy, drama, no? Best drama. Uh, okay, you, since someone died in your anime. Okay, best slice of life. I'm just voting whoever I want. Best main character. Oh! Oh! Gusto ko batuhin si Okarun. Pwede. Sang Jinwoo. It's gonna be... Buti wala to sa ano, no, anime of the year. Best supporting character, Jin. Yapapa, I shouting. Okay, yeah, let's go with Jin. I did Okarun dirty. Let's go with our boy Jin. Must protect at all costs. Anya Forger. Always. 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 Best anime song. Ano yung Reawake? Ano yung Reawaker? Lisa rin ba yun? Alam ko si Lisa. Lisa rin yun, di ba? Reawaker. Yeah, it's a Lisa song. On the way na mas gusto ko yung season 1 na ano eh. Fine, I'll go with Lisa. Lisa Trevor. Best score. I mean, it has to be, right? Best opening sequence. Okay, best intro. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with solo leveling again. Okay, next. Best ending. Apex yung paa ni Sanjin mo. Do Shika, Do Kashiteru, nakalimutan ko ano yung ending ng ano eh. Dandadan eh. Yung ba yung kay Turbo Granny, yung may blower? Yun ata yun, no? So, yung paa ni Sang Jinwoo o yung blower ni Turbo Granny. Di ko alam yung apat na to eh. Yung paa na lang ni Sang Jinwoo. Okay. Next, best voice artist performance. Alex Le. Where's Alex? Wala. Di ko kilala tong mga to. Sure. Mau Mau. Sure. Okay. Best Emmy Lo. Where's Alex Lee? Emmy Lo is Mau Mau, right? Am I gonna give it to both Mau Mau? Yeah. Justin Bieber. Paul Castro. Wait. Paul Castro. Okay, kilala ko to. Ito lang kilala ko. Okay. Go. I think that, yeah, I think I voted. Yun na yun? Tapos na, di ba? Okay, let's share. Vertical. Save image. And then I'll just downloads. And download. So this is like gonna be my thumbnail siguro. Huh. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, mainly I voted for solo leveling. There's Apothecary Diaries, there's Dandadan, and then there's Kimetsu no Yaiba. Anyway, good shit. Okay. Okay, naka 10 minutes tayo.